Hey you guys, it's Jen. How is everybody? Are you doing good? Okay y'all, we are going to do a 16 by 20 canvas and that requires about 11.5 ounces of paint. And the way I measure how much paint I need for my canvas, multiply the width, the height together, and then divide by 28. I have leveled my canvas. I have my C-hooks on the bottom. I have also sprayed the back of my canvas to make sure it's tight. So we're gonna do a Payne's gray background. And we're gonna do a straight pour. And I'm just gonna thin my background color. I have 7 colors plus the background color, which is Payne's gray. I will list as many colors in the information box as I can. I do make a lot of my own paint. My paints are all mixed with Floetrol and the Creative Inspirations polymer medium. Okay, I'm thinking I'm going to do, let's do 6 ounces of paint in the cup. We're gonna start with our base color. Oh, and paints are pretty thick. Let me show you. Definitely leaving a mound and a trace. And this color is golden light phthalo turquoise, and it's one of my favorite colors from the Golden brand. I use almost all heavy body paints. Fluid paints would be much easier for me, but I prefer to have more control over my paint consistency. Let's do this pink color. Actually, let's do some of the blues first. This is the Artist Loft Bright Aqua, and I frequently add a white to this paint. It makes it more of a minty color, and this color is the Artist Loft Neon Blue. And this is the Decoart 24 karat gold, and I usually mix the extreme sheen 24 karat gold with the home 24 karat gold. That's the one that comes in the tub. And I'm adding my Winsor&Newton Pro Titanium White, and there's probably Artist Loft Flow White in this also. And this is an Arteza pearl color. I'll put the name of it in the information box. And I'm making a puddle of Payne's gray and then putting on the Decoart 24 karat gold. Pouring your straight pour from up high creates a reaction. It creates a ton of bubbles and it helps with cell formation. Lots of people use silicone in paintings to achieve cells. And using silicone is fine if that's what you want to do. And you can get cells using paint density and your paints reacting together and reacting with your mediums. And some paints are just cell reactive. All right, we're gonna let this sit for a minute. put some of the house paint, milk paint, Floetrol mixture kind of around the sides. And we're gonna see how well that works with cell formation. Who knows, it may just go right over the edge, but we'll see. I'm waiting for my shipment of my Humira. Gonna hopefully start it this week. A little nervous about it, but it has a nurse that kind of comes along with it, and she'll be available to me if I have any questions or concerns. I met with her today, and she doesn't anticipate any issues, so that's nice. And I submitted my case to Chasing the Cure. I don't know if any of you have watched that or are going to watch it. It's a new show. I think it's on TBS or TNT, where they basically are detectives trying to find out, you know, what diseases people have, and you know, helping people get on with their lives. You never really know how good you had it until you get sick, and the doctors can't find out what's wrong with you. All tests keep coming back negative. Spending tons of money on different medications, tests, emergency room visits. I've been sick almost a year. And when I got sick, it hit me like a sledgehammer. I was doing a job that was very physical and stressful. And the sickness just really knocked me out. So now I'm just trying to figure out how to cope with this new way of life for me. And you know, what is the new normal for me is what I've got to figure out now. Okay, we're gonna just go in a circle. Last week I ordered some Boom gels, what is it, gel stain? I think it's gel stain, so I'm very excited about getting that. And my white did have white unicorn spit in it. It gives, it's a similar effect to milk paint. The unicorn spit dispersed a lot. You can see very little white. All of the white paint that I put around the perimeter looks like it's starting to sell. But the white paint that I put actually in the cup, all of that is from the unicorn spit. All right, lots of stuff happening. Lots of reactions happening. The pink that I added almost completely gone. There's a tiny bit over here. All right, we're gonna turn it around so I can check out the other side and see if there's anything I need to do. Okay, I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.